If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Rum, rum, rum. I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
So, tell people what you're doing right now.
I am having technical difficulties with my camera because it's a shitty Sony and it's only like what, like 25 degrees out Celsius, yeah. And my camera overheated like 3 times within like 15 minutes.
This guy, or is it?
Second show.
Second show. This guy.
That's my lunch right there. I'm waiting until it's cooled down so I can.
This guy eats and sleeps ToofastTV.
That's facts.
Facts, straight facts.
A few moments later.
So it works now.
Well, let's hope for a bit.
You good?
Okay, I'll tell him.
For now.
All right, now get back to work. Go.
Said I'm a gym, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on.
Got a battery. And
battery?
it's fully charged.
I got some fucking angle for you. Look at this thing.
Jeez.
Ridiculous. I'm not even sure I'm looking at. It's got angle.
They're welding the diff in the back because you know.
So check it out. We'll check it
essential things.
out. Essential. How's it look? Looks good. Yeah? It's lying, dude. He's never done this before, ever. Everyone told me to put these 2 pipes, threaded the single, it sounds sick.
Ooh, so gold. Hold on, let me give them a better view. What do you guys think? Single or dual? Let us know in the comments below.
It sounds like a Jay-Z V8 thing. It's really weird. Sounds like a Jay-Z V8 thing. It's really weird. Does not sound like a fucking like a 4.6.
This guy just compared a Mustang.
No, I'm telling you right now. I'll start it up for you.
To a
it
Jay-Z.
Sounds decent.
I want to hear it.
Without the turbo, obviously, but it sounds good. It sounds good.
All right, so he's gonna turn it on. We're gonna see if it sounds like my GS sounded. All right. There we go.
This is done for weeks, months, and I just need a welder and a spot. And my fab daddy Frankie over here, and we're getting it done. Thanks to Salim, hooking it up on a Sunday.
On a Sunday.
So here.
That's alright.
So you can't put a plate on this because to get the axles out, you gotta have C-clips, right? It's just backwards. It's completely backwards from what you're used to.
It's not the prettiest, but
hey, let's this together, man. It's all matters. I'm not gonna explain it to you like 100%, but like essentially there's just C-clips that hold the axles in from sliding out.
Okay.
And there's these long ass motherfuckers all the way like that. So anyway, go watch a Chris Fix video. He does a whole clutch pack change on it if you're curious about it. Okay, let me take some photos.
Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
this mechanic came from New Brunswick.
All the way from New Brunswick.
New Brunswick, Newmarket.
This shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
You know, when all the cars are lined up like this, one thing is going down. The jungle is open.
Although you should repave this. We should also help start a GoFundMe to repave this.
Yo, first off,
anyone who donates $100 can fucking slide. Can I just do a small little heater?
Okay, do a little heater. He wants
I
practice.
just want to do a little.
You want to practice? All right, man.
Just a little one.
All right, just yo.
It's been a while.
practice.
We're talking about practice, man. We're talking about practice.
Yo, We killing tires out here. Kill all tires. I even got it tattooed on my arm. Jeez.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Savage. I got a Misfits tattoo on my ass cheek.
Actually?
Yeah, you wanna see?
Not really.
I see all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365.
That's some crazy shiznit. We got the Misfits in the house. This guy right here, Colin, he's a crazy man. I'm telling you guys. If
See
you
what's
don't know,
gonna happen?
Now you know.
He's gonna come in here. He's gonna stunt on Stuntman, and the Stuntman's gonna have to come back.
Oh, Stuntman, you're getting called out. You gotta come to the jungle, Stuntman.
Jeez.
Stuntman to the jungle. Jungle to the Stuntman.
He's got too much luck. This wheel is looking like this, and that wheel is looking like that. No! I broke it already? How?
You had to.
Oh, bro!
What did I bend?
All right, let's fix it right this minute.
You broke it already.
Tie rod bent.
Oh! That's no good!
Bentino, tie rodino.
That's no good!
Yo, I seen what you did there. You fucking locked it, and then been like, I got on video, everybody can see it.
Hey.
She's alive! Hey. That's not normal, bro. People shouldn't own this shit, bro. That's nuts, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Oh my god. Yo, Austin, my guy. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? You're crazy, bro. You crazy. Yo. That was nuts. That was an insane ride along. That's probably like the most powerful car I've been in. And thank you for that. I don't want a car that powerful anymore.
Honestly, like, it was, yo, I thought I could handle it, but I shot myself the first time I drove it, so.
I don't blame you, bro. And if you're watching this, don't judge, because if you were in it, you would have shit yourself too. So, yo, we're signing off. ToofastTV. Hit us up on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Make sure you hit subscribe, because if you don't, you're a bitch. And
If you can't slide, you can't drive.
what?
ToofastTV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
English.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
you can't drive. It is what it is.